Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT, PGT English Literature and other English related teaching exams. So let's start. Question number 1. Which one was Milton's favorite? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Paradise Regained. Option C will be the right answer. Paradise Regained is a poem by English poet John Milton, first published in 1671. Next question, question number 1 was Wordsworth laureate? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1843. Option C will be the right answer. In 1843, Wordsworth was named Poet Laureate of England, though by this time he had for the most part quit composing verse. Next question, question number. Who called Shakespeare sweetest Shakespeare fancy's child? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Milton. Option A will be the right answer. Milton refers to Shakespeare as sweetest Shakespeare fancy child and says he will go to the well-trod stage to hear him. Warble his native wood notes wild. In 1645, Milton published Allegro in a collection of poetry alongside another poem entitled Il Penseroso. Next question, question number 4. John Milton's Magnificat Ode on the morning of Christ's nativity was written when the poet's age was. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 21 years. Option B will be the right answer. On the morning of Christ's nativity is a nativity ode written by John Milton in 1629 and published in his Poems of Mr. John Milton. He was 21 years old when he wrote this ode. Next question, question number 5. Blank space, nature never did betray the heart that loved her. Blank space, these lines exist in. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tinton Abbey. Option D will be the right answer. Wordsworth mentioned the given line in his poem Tinton Abbey, which contains a deep meaning. From the early days of mankind, nature brought them up with a lot of affection and lot of love. Next question, question number 6. Whom Milton considers his master in poetry? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Spenser. Option D will be the right answer. Scholars commonly assert that Edmund Spenser, the great poet of the Elizabethan age, exerted an influence upon John Milton. Milton's one testimony is the best proof. Next question, question number 7. Question number 7. Nothing is here for tears, nothing to wail or knock the breast, no weakness, no contempt, dispraise of or blame, nothing but well and fair, and what may quiet us in death so noble. Where from these lines taken? What will be correct answer? Paradise regained, paradise lost, on his blindness, Samson agonist. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Samson agonist. Option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 8. Theme of Areopagiticus: liberty of Bomin, freedom of press, sanction on press, sanction agonist. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be freedom of press. Option B will be the right answer. Next question, question number 9. When was Paradise Lost published? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1667. Option D will be the right answer. The best well-known work of John Milton, 1608 1674, Paradise Lost, a poem in 10 books, was first published in London in 1667. Next question, question number 10. From where these lines have been taken and who is the speaker? We are such steps as dreams are made on, and our little life is rounded with a sleep. Make with, Hamlet, Hamlet, 12th night, Malvolio, Tempest, Prospero. Tempest, Prospero. Option D will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.